All right, everyone, welcome back to Time Flies By, and here we have the follow-up video to the unboxing I did on the AliExpress G-Shock mod kit. So it's been probably a few weeks now, and I've been wearing it and enjoying it, and just wanted to report back that it's a fantastic kit, just as this one was. So this was the fully titanium version, and it's been getting lots of wear. It has a lot of dings and scrapes and scratches. And again, just want to report that it is holding up and it's been doing a great job. I absolutely love this watch, and I love the way it came out with that red line around the border. The MGW M5610. Yeah, I just really like the original version, I believe might be negative display. I have to confirm. I can't remember now. I always get mixed up between this one and another model. But yeah, this one here does have the positive display, and I just prefer this type of configuration for my everyday needs. So really like that shiny bezel. I know it's gonna get some scratches, but I think it just completes the whole overall package. So that's that one. Onto the Bling Master, if you will. I was kind of expecting to be full out bling, but I kind of like the way that the bracelet doesn't match the full polished case. You can see full out bling on the case, and then a little bit more subdued and less, um, shiny and blingy on the rest of the bracelet. The clasp is fantastic, exactly what you would see on an original. 4 micro adjusts, really good stuff. Got just a really good comfortable articulation to the links. Look at that. And yeah, it's just a phenomenal for the price and value for money. It's actually really good. So this is the let's see if we can see it on the back here. DW 5600, so just a plain Jane with the newer module 3229. It's still got the illuminator, so even with the bright light, you can still see that nice green hue, and that's one of my favorite features of this model. But yeah, really liking it so far. I like the smudges, I like the fingerprints, I like the scratches, and everything that comes with wearing a watch of this finish, believe it or not. It wears really good. Just for reference, 6 3/4 inch wrist, and you can see how it wears, and it wears just fine. It's very comfortable. It doesn't get in the way. It's very loud and very noisy, and that's what I like about it. So when I'm in that type of mood, that's what I'll put on. This is the original resin band for it, so nothing special like you guys have all seen before. And the case, the resin bezel, is in the box that this came with. So again, got the watch for a good price. You know, if you find, if you're careful, you can find them for anywhere from these models here, anywhere from $50 to $100 in Canadian, and even probably in around US. I think anywhere from 35 to $50 US. This is not tough solar. It's not Bluetooth. And doesn't have all those features, but this is one of the original reissues from 1984, and I believe, if anyone can confirm for me, that this is the same model, obviously without the updated module, that Keanu Reeves wore in the movie Speed. So this would be considered the Speed watch. If you guys want to go and reference the movie, go have a check. There's lots of instances where you can see it on his wrist in action. So yeah, just an overall great model. Probably gonna be done for a while with the Ali mod kits. I just wanted really these two to have. These are the ones that were most calling me. And yeah, so far we've been really happy with them. So got those. Got these two here. This one also is one of those 1984 original colorway reissues, and I just really like it. Also the 3229 module. This one here, I wanted a kind of a black negative display, and also same module, but this is a 5610. This one here is a 5600. So a little bit different, a little bit, I believe it's the profiles. These are both carbon core. Really like the blue and the yellow. And then of course I have the JDM. It's out on the windowsill right now charging. I probably should have included it in this video, but it's on the windowsill charging. That one is a tough solar, Bluetooth connectivity, and all that. This one is tough solar as well, multiband 6, but it does not have Bluetooth. So every kind of model I have is a little bit different, you know, even though these share the same modules, they all do something a little bit different. This one has the negative display. This one here has the really cool yellow and blue with a kind of gold screen to it, which I really like. And yeah, so they all kind of do something different. The reason why I went with this one on this, with the gold bracelet on this band or on this watch, mostly was because up until recently, I believe it was this week, it was announced that the next full gold model is going to have a positive display. The only other one was on the 35th anniversary on all the Bling Masters, but other than that, they've all been negative display. And I kind of like the look here with the gold and the blue accents on this model here. So yeah, just want to give you guys an update. I said I would make another video of how this watch is panned out, how the kind of bracelet is, and it's very comfortable, it's very fun to wear, and I like it a lot. So let me know down in the comments which one you guys like better. Titanium, full metal. This is about 180 grams. This one is well under 100. Very comfortable. Very comfortable. Full titanium. But I kind of like the heft of the full metal as well. All right, just a quick one. Some more stuff coming up in the channel, so stay tuned. And we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.